How to get premium on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can get premium on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now getting premium on Spotify is actually quite very simple. Now first of all, iOS users unfortunately don't have the option to subscribe or get the premium from the app. For Android users it is possible. If you come to get premium and then you tap on get premium, you can simply enter your payment details and continue, but for iOS users it's not. So what I will do is, for the betterment of both, you can simply open your browser and go to spotify.com, then log into the account, then tap on the gear icon located at the top right hand side, then just go to this option called premium. And when you go to the premium option, you will be able to see a list of premium plans that are available. So just select a plan of your choice and then just tap on the get premium individual option. As you tap on the get premium button, you will be taken to this page where you have to enter your payment details such as a PayPal or credit or debit card. So depending upon what is it that you prefer, simply select that, enter your card number, expiration date and the year, the CVC code, tap on buy now, and you'll have successfully got Spotify premium. But as I said, Android users can do it from the app, but iOS users can't do it from the app, so follow the other method. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.